Okay, everyone, here's a good one for you. I need help with this. Watch how I start a dishwasher. Listen to the water running. Now, here's the plumbing that goes to the dishwasher and this kitchen sink. Here's my kitchen sink. I open the valve. No water. No water to my kitchen whatsoever. Again, that's the water valve to the kitchen sink and to the dishwasher. Dishwasher's getting water, and the kitchen sink has no water. I need help with this. Somebody can help me. Please put your answer or your solution in the comments. Thank you.